I'm here with Hasan, one of my clients, private client as well. I've been on a long trading journey, and I just thought it'd be valuable just to give you guys a sort of. Hasan's gone from the shiny object attraction to dabbling in trading, then sort of rushing into it and going about it to sort of get rich quick, and then going through the process of doing it properly and then coming out the other side profitable. So he's got a lot of valuable information, and I think it'd be great just to share with you some of the insights that some of the people they get attracted by, their misconceptions, their myths, and Hasan's been through it all just like I have and many of the other traders as well. So Has,
yes,
what why do you think people go into trading?
The rich lifestyle.
Yeah.
Trade on the beach with a cocktail, fast cars.
There's only so many cocktails you can have sitting on the beach.
Yeah,
I mean,
but it's nice, have your Rolex there by your laptop and a wad of money. All looks good.
So, when people start opening trading accounts, what do you think what mistakes are they making?
Not having a plan. Just going in thinking you can just buy and sell as and where you want, with no real strategy.
No. And how many people do you think do that?
Everyone. I guarantee you, everyone that starts goes down that route.
Yeah. Why do you think that? Why do you think that people, one, think it's easy, and two, are willing to just blow their money like that?
I think it's because they don't understand it. It is a business. They don't understand that it's the same as wanting to be in any type of professional, a doctor or anything. You need to study, and the way it's perceived, it's been seen on YouTube and whatnot, it's easy.
Yeah.
You can just make hundreds of thousands within seconds.
Yeah. There's a lot of unethical educators out there, unfortunately, giving it a bad name. What is your advice on someone who's actually learning to trade then and has got a decent mentor or or education platform? What's your advice?
My advice would be obviously step by step. Really dedicate yourself into learning from the basics and moving through a course. And really embedding it.
Because you wasted like 2 years, didn't you? Just
and more, yeah.
And then what? We got you in 4 months, 5 months?
Yeah, in 4 months, literally turned around my trading completely from losing money to being consistently profitable. And you really can do it in a short space of time, providing you know where you're going wrong and to be able to fix it.
Yeah. And you have to actually want it as well. You don't have to want necessarily the cocktails on the beach. You have to have a bigger want, right? Because if you don't like looking at the markets and you don't like solving the puzzle every day, you're not going to do it, are you?
Yeah.
It's simple as that. You're not going to persevere with something that is you're just not interested in.
No, I mean, a lot of people see my screens and they're like, this is boring. It's like watching paint dry.
And it is boring.
Yeah, it is. I'm bored half the time myself. But yeah, you do have to have a passion for it, and you do have to understand where you are going with it. So have
expectations.
Yeah, expectations. Have a bigger plan.
Yeah.
And know that that's what you're working for.
And you have to appreciate the journey as well, right? You have to appreciate the support you're going to need, appreciate what you've got around you, appreciate how long it's going to take, appreciate the hard work you're going to have to put in.
And the kick downs as well. There will be a lot of people against you saying, you don't want to do that.
Totally.
Get a proper job.
Yeah.
And you just got to fight through all that. Yeah. You really got to dedicate yourself.
Sure. And we spoke about learning already, but once you're trading, what is the recipe for a good trade plan? In my mind, it's consistency, discipline, and accountability, self-accountability. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, without a doubt. Discipline, consistency, something I never had, and that now is, I think, the biggest key part of my trading.
And how do you get those? How do you get discipline and consistency?
by back testing, I mean putting in the hours and hours of testing and really understanding what your strategy is and how to implement it and how to, you know, exit and enter and all the small little pieces.
Drawdown
periods, yeah.
How to handle them.
Money management when it comes to the strategy. The back testing will give you all of that.
Yeah. Okay, and if you was just gonna give a tip to someone who is just about to start trading, what would that be?
Don't put no money in. Don't live trade. Do not even demo trade.
So if you're trading money now, stop.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then what?
Get onto tier 1. Shameless plug. Get onto tier 1 and take a high quality course. I mean, like yourselves, and learn the proper way. Yeah. Have good mentors like Jason, because honestly, it's one thing, you know, watching strategies and trying to implement them, but having someone mentor you, like Jason mentored me, it takes you to a whole new level. You know, it really makes you accountable for what you're doing, and it really makes you take it serious. So have a mentor.
Great.
Definitely.
Yeah, I mean, we build the whole business around transparency and integrity, and what that means is we want to show people what we're doing so that they can get a real insight from day one.
Yeah.
You know, you might not like the charts, as you say. It's not fascinating. It's not, well, it is fascinating, but it's not exciting.
It's not.
And it's important to be transparent to show people that. And then integrity means giving the people the realistic expectations, you know, the appreciation of what it's going to take. And we find that that's the best model. We want the highest turnover of successful traders, and hopefully, from what you've said about the process and everything, it looks like that's what we'll be able to do. So, Hasan, if you've got any questions for Hasan, you can leave them below this video, and he will no doubt be contributing, which is the third element of our business: transparency, integrity, contribution. So our traders come through. We don't just see you later, right? We want success off of our clients. So contribution, we encourage them to then give back, because you know, teaching and learning, they're entangled. And the more you teach, the more you learn. So if you've got any questions for Hasan, he'll be happy to respond to you. Any struggling traders, any questions? If you're similar to Hasan, you're going through what he went through, leave the questions below and he'll answer them for you.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Okay. Nice, thank you.